Ugandans expect from Rema and the entire team tomorrow?
You know, like everyone says, sometimes they say it's a show, sometimes they say it's a concert, but I call it a rave, you feel me? I feel like everything is bundled in the sentence or in the word rave. It's going to be a moment of high energy. You know, one thing I always tell every crowd that I perform to is just let loose. Like, we only live once, so like just be free, enjoy yourself. Most especially when you pay for the ticket, because like that's your hard-earned money, so enjoy it, you feel me? Like, it's yours, like I'm here for you, you feel me? So I'm just here to give my all, because I traveled so far away to be here not to give my all. So I'm going to give it my all. I'm going to give it my best. And I also expect, you know, so much love from the people out here, because for so long they have been supporting me. And it's a blessing to perform my album to them. Yeah.